Hi, I'm JC Perez, a fluid systems engineer at Blue Origin's Launch Complex 36. I'm an alum, an engineer, and a filmmaker. I've been on both sides of the screen. And trust me, your senior design presentation video isn't just a submission, it's your spotlight. In the next couple of minutes, we're gonna break down how to structure a knockout video, what the judges are looking for, and how to stand out at the Senior Design Showcase. Let's roll. Your audience, it's not just faculty, it's industry leaders, judges, and maybe your future boss. So keep your video professional, clear, and compelling. Include who you are, what problem you're trying to solve, how your solution is innovative, and how you design, tested it, and polished it. And don't forget about the wow factor, but we'll get to that. Let's get real. Judges are scoring you. And the rubric? That's your cheat code.
Hi, I'm Shannon Chapman, Senior Director of Enterprise Service Management here at Southern Glazer's Wine & Spirits. Every category on the rubric matters, from your verbal delivery to your design polish. Start by stating your goals and objectives. Make them specific and easy to follow. Then, show the broader impact. Who benefits from your project and how?
My name is Sandra Kennett, and I'm a Facilities Project Coordinator with the City of Orlando. Judges want to see originality in how you solve the problem. That doesn't mean just telling us that it worked. Show us how you went through your process, iterated, tested, got feedback, and iterated again. Also, make sure everybody is familiar with the project. Make sure everybody speaks and knows how the project worked.
Hello, my name is Xavier Henderson. I'm a systems engineer staff at Lockheed Martin. And video quality matters. Good visuals, clean audio, and logical flow. If we can't hear what you're saying or follow your message, you're easily missing out on points you could earn. Keep it under the time limit. And most of all, subtitles are a bonus.
Whether you're presenting virtually or face-to-face, your table or space should reinforce your message. Judges may ask questions that you didn't cover in your video. So prep your team like you would a client pitch or a design review. Practice together. And when in doubt, show it, don't say it. Wrap your video up with vision. What's next? Could it hit the market? Is your product scalable? Even a simple line like, our next iteration is going to be building a mobile version with user feedback in mind, goes a long way.
You've worked hard. This is your moment. Own it.
Think of your video as a story. Make us care and give us something we'll always remember.
Show us what you built, but most of all, show us why it matters.
This is the last project before you walk across that graduation stage. Your story deserves to be seen, heard, and celebrated. So take a deep breath, hit record, and show the world what you've built. Or at least UCF.